The poet, the wife, and the monkey is by Leon Rosselson, and it's both based on the poet Leon Ferrer, the French poet and songwriter who kept a monkey, and he wrote a book about it called Pepe. Picture, if you will, the poet seated at his writing table, catching butterflies of beauty in his silken net of words, musing on love's fleeting rapture and the long-lost hopes of boyhood, and the terrors of time passing like the beating wings of birds. Enter now a stoutish woman, once his muse and then his mistress, now his wife, who, let's admit it, ministers to all his needs, pours for him a glass of cognac, not a word between them spoken, his thoughts soar free as a skylark, while she cooks and cleans and feeds. Into this domestic order introduce a woolly monkey, which the poet bought while tipsy as a present for his wife. It will keep her company while he drinks Pernod at the cafe, and laments with fellow artists the soullessness of modern life. She rejects the woolly monkey, he by contrast finds it charming, teaches it domestic beauties, smiles to see his willing ways. Picture now the poet's triumph when the monkey one fine evening pours for him a glass of cognac, well deserved the poet's praise. Enter then the stoutish woman, sees the monkey pour the cognac, sees the poet, points a pistol, shoots the monkey in the head. This, I swear, is how it happened, leaving still one crucial question: why destroy the harmless monkey? Should have shot the man instead. Terrible the poet's anger, wife departs to run the cafe, leaves the poet deep in mourning, will not speak to anyone, writes a poem for the monkey and proclaims it at the graveside. All the mourners weep to hear it, the finest work he's ever done. Picture once again the poet sitting at his writing table, pours himself another cognac, searching for the inner light. Musily he muses sadly on the fickleness of women, and the monkey's tragic fate, and why he can no longer write.